are back at Wesley's. It is time to pull the engine out of the school bus. There's an entire crew here just anxious to get after it and rip that motor out. So a lot of people have commented about the flag. We have turned it around and fixed it. We apologize. Wesley apologizes. That was his fault.
I didn't know. I did not know.
There's like a mini car show going on outside right here.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is incredible. Your collection is quite good, my friend. So yeah, let's scan out in the yard and see what we got going on.
It's because I have to move everything outside for us to be able to work in here.
Yeah, look.
So
That's like I told him. I was like, dude, you need to be proud of this. This is amazing.
Well, I appreciate it.
People would just kill to have one of your cars, much less a dozen. Like, dude, this is incredible.
I appreciate it, but
yeah, so let's
it's a
jump on the
disease.
bus. Like I said, there's an entire crew here. They're out there with like wrenches, holding wrenches, ready to work on this thing. So I'm not going to hold them up. I'm going to set some GoPros up. We're going to get after it, and we'll bring you guys along.
Mr. Bob, how should we do this?
Just hook a chain, big chain right there, and hook your truck to it and keep yanking on it till something happens. You see sparks flying, you know you're going the right way. It ain't like your Mustang now, you don't have to let it warm up.
I won't shut it down anyway.
All right. Anybody willing to hold that from turning?
Where you at? I can't see it.
This pressure in right here. Just kind of hold.
That'll look good on camera. Right, that picture right there.
I think they're playing Twister.
Sure, it's how to remove a bus engine. That's a $1 million.
No, I feel like me and you were closer than we was a few days ago.
Yeah, I think so.
We contain the coolant though. That's what's important. So what's our plan here?
We're going to take this wrecker and see if we can't remove this Cummins engine out of the front of this bus. It sounded a lot cleaner.
Yeah. Definitely have to. Yeah, take two because the first version is not very nice. Pull this lever, what happens?
It just engages the winch in and out. So there's a dry shaft running from the back of the transmission on the side of the transmission. The PTO is bolted to the transmission shaft running back. The chain coming up, which turns the winch. Has a rod welded in the front of there, and all it does is engage and disengage the winch forward and back.
Oh, I see. You got it on both sides. I see the rod coming up there when you did that.
Right.
Okay.
So all you're doing.
So it's got some linkage in under here.
Yeah,
it's all tied together.
There's a bar welded here, going all the way across to this one. And then right here has a rod
that goes up to there.
Right. Alright. And that lever is to free spool the winch.
Gotcha. It's a massive cable.
Let's just bump it, see what happens.
for mobile engine pulling. Oh, it's coming
There
now.
you go. There you go. Flag. Got my honor, bully.
Take the PTO out.
No, it's fine. Just be easy. Don't dump the clutch. Be easy.
Where am I going?
Turn to the right a little bit, just ease forward.
All right, hold up. Knock your PTO out of gear. All right, ease up before adjusting strut. Easy. Watch my front track and the body.
All right, that didn't take near as long as I thought it would. The guys busted their butt. They got the engine and trans out of that bus in like 3 hours, and we beat the darkness. We're gonna plan on finishing this tomorrow, but hell, we got it all done tonight. We even got all the air tanks stripped out of the bus so we can have some onboard air with this. We got the radiator intercooler. We got everything strapped down to the bed, so once I get home, I can clean all of this up, detail it, reseal it, and then once it's ready to go, then I'll pull the motor and transmission out of this. But I'm not going to do that until it's ready to go because I still want to use this truck. But first things first, I got to lower the bed down because this is really goofy. So as soon as I get home, I'm going to renegotiate the fuel tank over there, and we're going to let this thing sit down and look like it's supposed to. So, but yeah, man, what a trip. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. I don't know what we're doing. Just tune in. Thanks.